One day, a hunter finds an old human skull in the forest. "What's brought you here?" he says. The skull replies, "Talking brought me here." "Incredible," says the hunter, "a talking skull. I will go to the palace and tell the king." The hunter arrives at the palace. "Your Majesty," he says, "this may be hard to believe, but I swear it is true. I have found a talking skull in the forest." The king is astonished. "A talking skull? Now that is something I have never seen before. Guards," he calls, "accompany this man to the talking skull. If what he says is true, give him these gold coins as a reward. But if he is telling lies, leave his skull in the forest next to the other one." The hunter leads the king's guards to the talking skull. "Speak, skull," the hunter says. There is no answer. "Speak," the hunter says again. "What's brought you here?" But still there is no answer. The hunter tries everything he can to make the skull speak, but it does not say a word. The sun sets, and the guards, in keeping with the king's orders, chop off the hunter's head and return to the palace. Sometime later, the old skull addresses the hunter's head. "What brought you here?" it says. "Talking brought me here," the hunter's head replies.